Okay, so I've had a lot of people asking for ideas of how to get plenty of protein and produce in their diet in a really easy way and how to calculate it when you're making a recipe. So I found some things in my house and I'm gonna make some soup because it's freezing. Okay, so I've got mixed vegetables and there are 340 grams in the bag. In the broccoli slaw bag, there's 454 grams. And so I'm gonna be able to calculate how many grams of produce I have based off of what it says here. Now for the protein, I'm just gonna do a little bit of math. I'm gonna flip it over and the serving size on the bag says that there are about 4 servings per bag and there's 2 grams per serving. So that means that in this bag of mixed vegetables, there are 8 grams of protein. I'm gonna flip over the broccoli slaw bag. It says that there are 5 servings per container. So there's 5 servings in this bag and there's 2 grams of protein per serving. So this bag of broccoli slaw has 10 grams of protein. And then I'm gonna flip over my ground beef, okay? And it says that 4 ounces is a serving. There's 4 servings per container and there's 23 grams per serving. So 4 times 23 is gonna give us 92. Then I'm gonna look on the back of my can of beans and it says there's 3 servings on, my can of beans. And there's 8 grams of protein per serving. 3 times 8 is 24. And then last, on the chicken broth, because there actually is some in here, there's 4 servings of chicken broth and there's 1 gram of protein per serving. So that's gonna be 4 grams of protein. So how I'm gonna do this is since there is about 4 servings of the protein, so I'm gonna aim for 4 servings of soup. So I'm just gonna have to add up my produce, divide by 4, and that's how many grams of produce I have. I'm gonna add up all my grams of protein. I'm gonna divide by 4, and that's how many grams of protein there are for each of the 4 servings of soup. So I'm gonna get started cooking this ground beef, and then I'm gonna really easily add some stuff. And my favorite seasoning is Tony Chachere's. I love Cajun seasoning, so I'm gonna use that. I'm just gonna throw in the beans that I drained, throwing in the mixed vegetables. Now, this is pretty thick. You can tell there's not a lot of liquid, and that's exactly how I like it. Some people would really rather it be a little bit thinner, and that's totally fine. If that's you, add more water. If not, leave it how it is. I'm just gonna let this cook and sort of come together and then taste it and see if I need any more Cajun seasoning. But that's about it.